COVID-19. Its global outbreak is affecting every part of human lives, including the physical world. It affected businesses, education, work, fitness, entertainment, and most importantly, health of people. Several industries have been adversely impacted due to the spread of COVID-19 globally. It is evident that the global economy is grinding to a halt. But every coin has two sides of it. Though COVID-19 was harmful for humans in every aspect of their life, it proved to be a boon for our Mother Earth. The video will be showcasing positive environmental impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic situation significantly has improved air quality in different cities across the world, reduced the emission of greenhouse gases, pollution, and even reduced the pressure on the tourist destinations, which may assist with the restoration of the ecological system. Notoriously dirty, the waterways and rivers in the world look cleaner, the air fresher, the smog gone, the haze dispersed, and the wildlife has filled the open spaces. COVID-19 lockdowns across the world seem to have a number of positive effects on the environment. Millions of the people have been cooped up indoors, but the natural world outside has continued to rumble on and is benefiting from our absence. During COVID-19 induced lockdown, not only the air quality, but also the water quality in rivers and several water bodies are improving. Many lakes have seemed to be much cleaner and being transparent as there is no industrial waste being dumped in those lakes. Even huge number of stars were visible in sky unlike before. Our ozone layer also recovered itself during this phase. Unfortunately, India's holiest river Ganga has been one of the most polluted rivers in the world. Indian Institute of Technology has reported that the water of river Ganga has become fit for drinking after decades. Not just the Ganga, but its sister, River Yamuna, has been improved as well. As people stayed at home due to lockdown and travel restrictions, some animals have been spotted in cities. Sea turtles were spotted laying eggs on beaches due to the lowered levels of human interference and less pollution. Seismologists have reported that quarantine, lockdown, and other measures to mitigate COVID-19 have resulted in a mean global high-frequency seismic noise reduction of 50% due to the combination of several factors including reduced traffic and lower industrial activity. Nature is the language, and every new fact one learns is a new word. But it is not a language taken to pieces and dead in the dictionary, but the language put together into a most significant and universal sense. The silver lining to COVID-19 is our Mother Earth is rejuvenating itself. We, being the children of our Mother Earth, are not helping it to recover, but a virus is doing our job to protect her from the harms which we, the humans, have given off to the Mother Earth. Earth gave us all the resources of our need, and we shouldn't forget the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. पर्यावरण है सबकी जान, वृक्ष लगाकर करेंगे पृथ्वी का सम्मान. We are the people responsible for this condition of our Mother Earth, so we should be the one to respect and protect our Prithvi. Lastly, here is something to note about the lethal new wave of COVID-19. India was on the verge of defeating COVID-19 completely, but some new strains from UK and other countries have made the situation far more difficult this time due to its high transmission rate. Most of the symptoms of COVID-19 are same in the second wave, but symptoms like pink eyes and hearing impairments are totally new symptoms detected in the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. While acknowledging that the present situation has become far more difficult than it was in the past due to rising coronavirus infections. We request you to stay at home, follow all the guidelines, keep social distancing, stay safe, and keep respecting our Mother Earth and all the resources provided to us. COVID-19 will reshape our world. We don't yet know when the crisis will end, but we can be sure that by the time it does, our world will look very different.